Okay, hello everyone. This is Iris from Henghua Factory. Today we are going to share some information of our hot sealing machines with you guys together. Our factory has been in this line for decades of years. There are lots of hot sealing models. First, you can see the video. This is our DSS8 house crimping machine. Now let's see the video. Now in this video you can see this is the customized DSG250 for one of our customer. So you can see we have some our hot sealing models. You can buy that one of that as you like, and we also can customize for you. So if you have any special requirements about the pump, the control panel, even the paintings, the crimping range, or the shape of the molds, we also can customize for you. Okay, so you can see here, this is the control panel of our machines. So you can see that is very clear and very easy to operate. And if you still have confusion about how to use the hose crimping machines when you get the machine, don't worry, you can keep in touch with us. Our after-sales service is almost around the clock. Okay, here this is a small video to show how to crimp the hoses by our upgraded DSG250. Here you can see in the video the pump, the height of this machine is a little different with our regular DSG250. If you have a little known about our factory, you may know our DSG250. That is one of our hot sealing machines. And this model is quite the same with that regular DSG250. But you can see the height of this machine is not the same with our regular DSG250. Because this model, the height is upgraded, so it has a very larger crimping force. Okay, you can see here, this is our regular DSG250. You can see the height of this model is different with the previous video. This is the regular DSG250, and we all call this model high box machine. Because you can see our DSS8 compared with our DSS8, this machine, the box is a little higher than our DSS8. So that's why we call this model our high box machine. Our DSG250 sells quite well all over the world, especially in India and Southeast Asia market. And okay, here you can see this is some packing picture for one of our customer. He ordered this kind of DSG250 frequently in very large quantity. And before we pack the machines, we always send all the outsides. We always take the picture for outsides of the machine for our customer to confirm, even the inside and outside the machine. For our DSG250, there are three models. The basic is without quick turn switch and without direct. And the second one is with direct on one side of the box and without quick turn switch. The third model is with direct and also with quick turn switch. You know, with the direct, so you don't need to find another space to store the whole size of dies. And you can see the dies very clearly, and it is much more easy for you to change the dies. And for the third model, it has the quick turn switch and also the direct. You know, because of the quick turn switch, it will take only 4 or 5 seconds to change the whole size of dies, much more convenient. So you can buy our model according to your requirements, according to your need. Okay, and if you are new in this line and you don't know and you have no idea about how to choose the suitable hose crimping machine, don't worry, you can come to us, tell us your need or tell us your requirements. We will suggest you the suitable hose crimping machines for you. In our factory, there are lots of models. So you must find a suitable hose crimping machine that can match all your requirements. If there is no model can match all your requirements, we also can customize for you. Our factory has been in this line for so many years. We have plenty of experience, and we also have a very great design department. So no matter what kind of requirements you have, we also can customize. We also can give you the best hose crimping machine for you. So you are welcome to come to us and tell us your need, your requirements. And if you are a professional in this line, you are also welcome to give us your suggestion to make us improvement. Thank you so much. Okay, now let's get back to the video. Now this is we customized for one of our customer this year. So you can see this model is just our DSG250, the second model. That means with direct on one side of the box, but without the quick change switch. And you can see in the video, this is not our regular blue color of this model. This is black, shiny black color, cause this customer prefer this color very much. So if you prefer other colors, for example, the green colors, the orange colors, the blue colors, the white color, the gray color, we also can customize for you. So just tell us which color your favorite color, we can customize for you. And for this machine, the regular hello my friend, welcome to our live show. Maharan, right? Welcome to our live show. I will send you a catalog for your reference. Okay, so you can have a review of our hose crimping machines, and you also can stay here in the live show to share more information of our hose crimping machines. Now we just showing the small video of one of our customized DSG250 for one of our customers this year. You can see this model has the foot pedal, so you can control the machine by your hands or by your foot. Both are okay. And also, if there is nobody can help you, if there is only one person need to do the hose assembly job, you can see when your hands are full, you can control the machine by your foot. That is very convenient. And because of the foot pedal, you don't need to bend your knees again and again. And you can see the control panel here. It is very easy to understand. It is very clear. All of our machine operation is very easy because the goal of our factory is to bring more and more convenience to our customer or the customers of our customer. And you can see this model, there is a very bright work light. So if you have to work when it is very dark outside, you don't need to worry about that because the light is bright enough. So you also can do the hose crimping job. This is our upgraded model DSG250. You can see this model, the height of this model is upgraded. The pump is also upgraded, even the pump and also the puntings. So this machine has a very larger crimping force. If you always need to crimp very large size hoses, even in 6 inches or even in 6 layers or 4 layers or even 6 layers, we would suggest you to buy this model. Because of the larger crimping force, it is very suitable for that kind of hose crimping job. And you can see the control panel here. It is also very easy to understand. And about the paintings, if you don't like this painting, if you have your own favorite colors, we also can paint for you. Here, this is our mass production model, our DSS8. This model sells quite well all over the world. Our Henghua brand is widely known all over the world. Our machines have been exported to more than 50 countries, and all the feedbacks of this machine is very well. You can see here, this is the control panel, very clear control panel. Hello, my friend. Welcome to our live show. So, cause your name is hidden, so I don't know what's your name, but welcome to our live show, and I will send you our catalog for reference. Okay, let's have a review. Let's have a review of this small video. This is our hot sealing model, our DSS8RF. This model sells quite well since it is launched. You can see because of the orange color, it is very attractive, and you can see the height of this machine is much more suitable for standing operation. And you can see here the height of this machine. All the material is in top quality. And you can see this model also have the quick change switch. With this tool, it will take only 4 or 5 seconds to change the whole size of dies. Very convenient. So if you always need to crimp different size of hoses, we would suggest you to buy this kind of models. Because you can see, because of the quick change switch and because of die stand, it is much more easy to change the size of dies. Very convenient, and it also can save much more time. And we all know time is money, so you can have much more time to do something else you would like to do. And okay, here. Okay, hello Muhammad. Welcome to our live show. I will send you our catalog for reference. So if you have any interest of our machines, you are welcome to leave a message on Alibaba Messenger so that we can talk more. We can send you more pictures and more working videos for your reference. Okay, hello my friend. Welcome to our live show. Cause your name is hidden, so I don't know what is your name, but welcome to our live show. I will send you our catalog for your reference. Hello Rag, alright, welcome to our live show. I will send you our catalog for your reference. So if there is any interest of our items, you are welcome to leave a message on Alibaba Messenger. We can talk more. We would like to send you more working videos, more and the details of that machine for your reference. All of our machines have CE certificate, and our factory has passed the ISO certificate. Okay, let's get back to the video. Now you can see this is one of our customers. You can see the smile on his face. Our factory has more experience to help our customers to build their own workshop to do the hose assembly. The hose assembly is widely used in different places, so more and more people join the line to make the hose assembly. But some of them don't know how to choose the suitable hose crimping machine and the suitable hoses or even the fittings for the beginning of the workshop. So if you are facing the same situation, you are welcome to contact with us. We would try our best to support you and give you the suggestion about the suitable hose crimping machines, the hoses and the fittings and the ferrules. We would like to see your smile on your face, just like our dead customers just showed in the previous video. Your smile is our goal. Okay, let's go back to the video. Here you can see that is the inside of the electric box. And here you can see this is a small video of our mass production model, our DSS8. This model sells quite well in over 15 countries all over the world. This machine sells quite well, and all the feedback of this machine is very good. You know, some of our customers bought this machine 5 years ago, and his frequency is over 8 hours per day to use this machine. But now they still use our machine very smoothly. So you can see the top quality of our machine. And here you can see this is the 10 size of the molds of our DSS8 for your reference. And before we pack the machine, we always send the full size of the machine to take the pictures to send to our customers. And we also do the test of each machine before we pack the machine to make sure our customer will get the machine in good condition. Okay, the regular crimping range of our DSS8 is 1/4 to 2 inches, but some of our customers may require smaller molds, or we can customize. That is also okay. And some customers may require to crimp up to 3 inches. We also have some 3 inches hose crimping machines for your reference. And we also have 4 inches hose crimping machines. Some customers may require even 6 inches or 8 inches hose crimping machines. We also can customize for you. So if you have the needs about the larger crimping range hose crimping machines, we also can suggest you the suitable hose crimping machines for you. We would like to send you more working video and more pictures of that kind of videos of that kind of hose crimping machines for your reference. So you are welcome to contact with us. And here you can see this is a small video for our DSS8 to do the hose assembly job. Our DSS8 can crimp not only the regular hydraulic hoses, but also the aluminum pipe and steel pipes. And if you need to crimp even harder pipes, we also have the suitable hose crimping machines can suggest to you. So, and for the details and specification and working video of that kind of hose crimping machines to crimp the harder pipes, you are welcome to keep in touch with us. We can talk more about that models. And you know the most important thing. The most important is to tell us your voltage before you buy the hose crimping machine. Because if you buy the hose crimping machine but in wrong voltage, that may be a disaster. The regular voltage is 220, 380, but some of our customers may require 110, 240, 450. Different countries have different voltages. So you need to confirm the voltage before you buy the hose crimping machine, so that can make sure you will get the suitable hose crimping machines. And here you can see this is we customized for one of our customer. This is the digital model of our DSG250, And this model, you can see the dies, the shape of the dies is not our regular shapes. So you can see here, this customer need to crimp this kind of square steel tubes. That's why we customize the mold into square shapes to make sure our customer can crimp this kind of special tubes. So you can see we can customize the pump, the voltage, the crimping range, the paintings, and even the shape of dies. So if you have, okay, hello my friend, welcome to our live show. I will send you our catalog for your reference. Okay, so you can see after the crimping job, the two tubes can be cracked very tightly. So if you need to crimp this kind of square tubes, you also can come to us. We also can customize for you. So you can see we can customize the pump, the voltage, the crimping range, the control panel, or even the shape of the dies. And okay, here you can see this is our new design this year. This model is our 3 inches hose crimping machines this year. You can see the height of this machine is very thin, so it is very suitable to crimp this kind of very short size hoses in large degree of the fittings. So if you need to crimp that kind of hoses fittings, we would suggest you to buy this kind of models, because this machine is much more suitable for that kind of crimping jobs. And also the operation of this machine is very easy. So you can see here the control panel is much more easier than our DX series hose crimping machines. Just like I said, the goal of our factory is to bring more and more convenience to our customer or the customers of our customers. So your satisfaction is our goal. Okay, some customers like this model very much, but he need to crimp up to 4 inches. That is also okay. We also can customize this model to 4 inches hose crimping machines. And if you don't like these colors, that is also okay. We also can customize different paintings of this model for you. And you can see here, this model also have the quick change switch. So you can see it is much more easy to change the size of the dies. And this model also have the die rack, and the height of this model is much more suitable for standing operations. So you can see this model can save much more space to store the whole size of dies, and also and it is much more suitable, can save much more time, so that you can have much more time to enjoy your life. And the height of this machine is very suitable for standing operation, so you don't need to bend your knees again and again. So you will enjoy the hose crimping job when you use our machines. Okay, this is our upgraded 4 inches hose crimping machines. And you can see the height of this model is also upgraded. So this model has a very larger crimping force. It is much more suitable to crimp very large size hoses very easily. So if you always need to crimp large size hoses, we would suggest you to buy this model. And for the other upgraded places of this model, so you are welcome to keep in touch with us. We would like to tell you more about this machine, and we would like to send you the working video and the picture. So if you have any interest of this model, so welcome to contact with us. And our factory also have several multifunction machines. You can see this in video is our multifunction crimping and skiving machine. So if you buy this model, you buy one machine, but you got two functions. One is crimping and one is skiving. And you also can buy one hose crimping machine and one skiving machine. Both are okay, just as you like. And we also have several skiving machines for your reference. Okay, so you can see the operation for the crimping job is the same with our other DX series hose crimping machines. Also very easy to understand, and this model also have the foot pedal, so you also can control the machine by your hands or by your foot. Both are okay. And if you also have confusion about the operation of this model, you are welcome to keep in touch with us when you got the machine. We will teach you to operate this machine step by step. And the regular crimping range of this machine is 1/4 to 2 inches. And if you have other crimping range of this model, we also can customize for you. And even we also can customize the pump, the paintings, and the voltage for you. So welcome to tell us your requirements so that we can send you the suitable hose crimping machines. And now the video is just showing the scale function of this model. It is much more easy to peel the rubber by this model. Our factories also have the CNC hose crimping machines. So if you need to buy that kind of CNC top level hose crimping machines, we also can supply you. And we also have the screen touch models, hose crimping machines. So you can buy the models according to your need. We have the regular hose crimping machines, also the CNC hose crimping machines, also the screen touched hose crimping machines. So you can buy according to your requirements, according to your level you need. No matter what kind of hose crimping machines you need, you always will find the suitable one in our factory. Okay. And we also can provide you the hydraulic hoses, and even you can see the hoses. This is just for your reference. We also can provide you the fittings and the furrows. And so if you have need of the hydraulic hoses and the fittings, you are welcome to come to us. We would suggest you to we would send you more pictures of our hoses. All of our products have CE certificate, and the rubber of our hoses is natural rubber. Even the inner tube and the outer tube, all of the inner tube and outer tube is natural rubber. Okay, this video is also our CNC hose crimping machines. And in this video, you can see this machine has a very large crimping force. It can crimp this kind of very hard pipes very easily. You can see this is in the video. This is not this kind of hydraulic hose. This is a very hard hose, but it can be crimped by our CNC machines very easily. So you can see after the crimping job by our CNC model, this is you can see the very beautiful pipes you will get. Okay, let's make it a little fast. Now this is what you will get after the hose crimping job by this model. Now you can see this is how we packed this model to save much more shipping charge for you. And this is just showing how to install the dies piece by piece for this model. And for the hose assembly, this is just like this. You know this is this way. This is the furrows, and this is the fittings. You put it this way, and after that, put it into the head of the machine, and the crimping job will do it. And we also have some manual hose crimping machines. So if you have any need of the manual hose crimping machines, you also can come to us. There are some 1 inches manual hose crimping machines, and also some 2 inches manual hose crimping machines. So you can choose. So you can choose the suitable manual hose crimping machines by your requirements, and you also can tell us your need, and so that we can suggest you the suitable manual hose crimping machines for you. Okay, time goes so fast. Time flies. As there are tons of jobs waiting for me, so I think here's for today for my shift. My colleague will stay here to share more information with you guys. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your time again. Bye.
Hello, my friends. My name is Catherine. It's my pleasure to be here to share some information regarding our product. So, I think my colleague has already tell you some information about our factories and our products. So now this video is showing you our manual hose crimping machine. You know, hose crimping machine can be driven by our human, and also can be driven electricity, also can be driven a vehicle. So we can divide the hose crimping machine into different groups. So one group is the electric hose crimping machine. The second one is manual hose crimping machine, such as this video show you. And the last hose crimping machine is vehicle hose crimping machine. The vehicle will be provided the power to drive the hose crimping machine. So hose crimping machine, what is the function for hose crimping machine? It is easy for you to understand. So I will get you a hose assembly. So this one in my hand. Okay, let me come here. This one is the hose assembly. So how can we get the hose assembly? What is the hose assembly? Hose assembly means this hose with the ripped hose fitting. So we can use the hose assembly convey many different mediums, such as the hydraulic oil, the steam, the gas, any liquid. So this is the hose assembly. Hose assembly is used very widely in our daily life. If that machine uses hydraulic systems, that machine needs the hose assembly. such as construct machines, digger, excavator, tractor. So all these machines use the hose assembly. As you can see, the mining, so different fields use this hose assembly. So hose assembly, the hose with hose fitting all both together after crimping can make the hose assembly. So when we make hose assembly, what kind of machine we need? Of course, it is the hose crimping machine, as you see from this video. So that machine will get the both terminal, both ends with the hose together. So we need use a very powerful force to get them together. And this is called ferrule. I'll get to the ferrule in a second. Here. In my hand, this is the ferrule, this one. Some clients call it cap or call it a sleeve. So it will connect. Oh my gosh. So it will be connected around the hose, and this is the nipple. So we put the nipple into the hose, get all these three steps in very perfect conditions, and then we put it into the head of the machine. The machine will give a very powerful force. We call that force crimping force. So hose assembly will be done just like this one. So this is the hose assembly. So if you want to do the business regarding hose assembly, or you want to sell the hose or the hose fitting, you can feel free to contact us. We are here to support you. So all these steps in line can make the hose assembly too. I think it is a good business. As I told you, hose assembly, I use it very, very widely. And you can see this hose, we call it a hydraulic rubber hose with very, very high working pressure, and it is very flexible. Hello, Natalie, welcome to our live show. Welcome. So we are selling hose fitting, hose assembly, and hose machine. If you want to do business regarding hydraulics, so you can feel free to contact us. So from this video, it is the hose machine. This machine can scrape the outer rubber of the hose. So why do we always scrape the outer rubber of the hose? In China, especially for 4SP, so that means this hose, the reinforcement layer with 4 layer of steel wire, which can make that hose with a very high working pressures. The outer rubber is very, very thick. So if we don't skive the outer rubber of the hose with the teeth of ferrule, what is the teeth of ferrule? I'll show you. So I'm not sure you can see it. I'll give you a review so you can see here. Teeth, just like our teeth to bite the food. So the teeth of ferrule will grasp the hose. So this is the hose. You can see the hose consists of 3 different layers: the inner layer, the middle layer, and the outer, the cover. So the middle layer is rubber. So and the middle layer is steel wire. The steel wire will be braided or spiraled. So this layer, the middle layer, will make the hose with very high working pressures. If this layer are coatings or fibers or anything others, so the working pressure will not be so higher. as the steel wire. So it's easy for you to understand it. Cotton fiber, so not so hard or strong as the steel wire. So if the reinforcement layer, the middle layer, is a coating of fiber, we call these hose low pressure hose. But hydraulic rubber hose always with a very high working pressures because the middle layer is the steel wire. So let's come back into our topic. So when we skive the outer rubber of the hose, the steel wire coming from the middle layer will come a little, and the teeth of the ferrule will grasp the hose very firmly, and then we use the hose crimping machine to get these three different parts. This different three parts, nipples, ferrules, and hose together, so the hose assembly will be done. Okay, this is the hose assembly. So this hose is the low pressure hose. You can see the middle layer is the fiber. I'll give you a view so you can look over it. So this is a low pressure hose. So if we don't skive the outer rubber of the hose, especially for 4SP, 4SH, or the 6 layer of a hose, we call that hose 6SP. So people usually buy the 1 layer hose, 2 layer hose, and 4 layer hose. 4 layer hose usually used to the digger construction machines. Okay, so 6 layers of hose, only a few clients will buy that. This video is showing you skive the outer rubber or the inner rubber. That is a very small tool, but with a very very strong function, because it can cover in the hose from 1/4 inches to 2 inches, and can also skive the inner rubber of the hose. So for 6 layers of the hose, we need to skive the inner rubber. Now it's showing you our multifunctional machine. This machine, we put 2 different functions into one machine to lower the cost. It can cut, it can skiving. So when we make hose assembly, of course we need some tool to cut the hose, because the hose will come in one row. So it usually will be 100 meters or 14 meters per row. So we need the cutting machine to cut the hose as what you required. If you want hose assembly 1 meter, so you can cut the hose 1 meter, cut off 1 meter hose, and then make hose assembly. I think. Of course, you can use any tool such as the knife or something with a very sharp blade to cut it. But the machine can be driven electricity, so that power will be very powerful, and it is a piece of cake for the hose cutting and skiving machine to do that job. Okay, so now this video is showing you our P52. This machine is very simple, and you can stand there to operate it. So only 2 buttons on the control panel. One is control the dies moving forward, and the other button just control the dies moving backward, just like the dies open. So with the hose assembly done, we need like the dies moving backward. So now is our DSG250 series machine. The machine can be with quick change tool, can be without quick change tool. So just want to lower the cost. If you want to save much time when you are changing the dies, the machine always with 10 sides of dies covering the holes from 1/4 inch to 2 inches. This series can be with the dies, the direct on the left side. This is a P52. It can, this machine is with very powerful crimping force. It can do the big size for the hole, such as 2 inches, 6 layers, and the maximum size can come to 2 inches. And it is easy for you to operate it, only 2 buttons. So for hose crimping machine, not only the man can operate it, for a woman or a girl, I see it can operate that machine as well. So this is DSG250. This is called the die rack on the left. This video is showing you our customized machine. One of my clients always buy 15 machines for one time. So you can see the height of the machine is orange, which is customized for him. And we can some logos or some words on the body of the machine. The logo can be on the control panel. Now it's showing you how to change the die. There will be 10 different size of dies for the holes covering from 1/4 to 2 inches to 2 inches. So on every dice there will be number get you to choose the correct dice for the holes you want to crimp. It is very flexible. So the hose crimping machine can be the following important parts. The head of the machine will contain the cylinder. The cylinder will contain the hydraulic oil. So when you get the machine on, the motor will be working, and then the pump will work and to push the oil into the cylinder, so the cylinder will be moving. That crimping force will come out, and we use this force to make hose assembly. So the height of the machine is very important. This part is very important for hose crimping machine, and the electric box is also important. This is the micrometer, just control the crimping down size, let the dies moving forward. So just like this. So this one is the electric pump. This is the height of the machine. And the motor, the height, the electric box, and the oil tank pump, all these are very important parts for a hose crimping machine. So the details for the height of the machine, there will be this is the control panel. this is the foot pedal. You know, foot pedal is a small part of the machine. When with the machine without foot pedal, we can also operate the machine. The machine will work normally. But you know, the foot pedal is small with a very powerful function. When you use your hands holding something, so you don't have any other hands to operate the machine, you can use that foot pedal. The foot pedal, the same function as the red and the green button to control the dice moving forward and backward, like the mounts closed and open. So this machine with it is a little higher crimping force than our DX68 series and DSG250 series. It can crimp the very big size holes, such as to 18/6 layers. So you can see if you press that green button, the dice will moving forward. The dice will be connected with the die seat. The die seat will be connected by the spring. So all these parts will be connected. The cylinder, when the cylinder moving, so the dice will be moving. It's easy for you to understand. The hose crimping machine just help our human to mix the hose assembly, get hose, ferrules and nipples together. The hose assembly is done. So easy to understand. Welcome to our live show. So the hose crimping machine. Hello, Salaf, and welcome to our live show. My name is Catherine. If you have any questions, you can feel free to contact me. I'm here to answer you. So the hydraulic rubber hose are very flexible. So this video is showing you our DSG250 before delivery. The colors for the machine we can customize. No matter what colors you want, we can customize that color. From this video, it is blue, it is green. All these are blue color. All these machines are for one client. So on the working desk, it is the cylinder and the micrometer. Some details for you. So for our DSG250, there will be the doors. When you open the doors, the oil tank and the motor will be appearing there. You can see the oil tank and the motor. Also, with the die box will be there front of the oil tank. So you can put the die into different square box. This machine with the quick change tool. Some people require quick change tool. So quick change tool is just a small tool help you to change the dies very quickly. With the machine with a quick change tool, you can change the dies for one time. There will be 8 pieces for one side, so you can put them together for one time. If the machine without that quick change tool, you need to change piece by piece. So do it 8 times. So now it's showing you testing our machine before delivery. You know, our machine's warranty is 3 years. 3 years. You know, the machine can be used for a very long time, and the efficiency series. For our DX68 and DSG250 is 200 pieces per hour. So we can also customize that speed if you want the motor up to 4 kW or the 5.5. It is no problem, so the speed will be very, very quick. I think 200 pieces per hour is okay. This is two DSG250 without quick change 2, and the color is shiny black, just customized for one of my clients who want this shiny black. And we customize the logo for him and paste it on the body of the machine, on the left door. So you can see it. The machine, the every machine will with the LED lamp. There will be magnetic seat, so it can suck into the surface of the machine when you move here and there. When it is dark, you can turn on that LED lamp, so still let the machine work. So the hydraulic rubber hose are very flexible. So you can see. This is the terminals on both ends. So the first step is let the machine on and then choose the working models. There are two different working models. The auto working models and the manual working models. So, and the third step is get the hose with hose fitting and put that into the head of the machine. Then press the green button, so the whole assembly will be done. When you making the whole assembly, the pressure gauge will tell you different working pressure of the machine. So this is our upgraded DSG250, which is upgraded the original DSG250. This machine, you can see the control panel. It can control the speed of the buckle. So the green button and the red button control the dust move forward and back. It is the same as the original one. The pressure gauge is also on the left. And the buzzer is on the top there. So this machine with a very, very crimping force, it can crimp the 2/18 4SP, a piece of cake for this machine. You can see there that very big button just let the machine stop. You can use this button. So if you don't want to let the machine work, you just press that red button, the machine will stop. And the following day you want to continue your job, so you just press that red button as well, so continue to use the machine as the same working situation last day. So these two different buttons. One is that big right button, just let the machine stop quickly, and we can adjust the speed of the machine. So we add two these very function buttons on our upgraded DSG250 series. It's easy for you to operate the machine. Do you love this model? I love it very much because the same height as our human, you can operate it when you are standing there. But you know, when you buy our DX68 series, so the upper, you need to put it on the working desk or something like this die rack. So the upper is the orange. So with the green direct color can make this machine very highlighted. I love it very much. And this machine with the quick change tool, we can change a set of dies for one time to save the time. In our model, time is money. So if you save the time, you can use this valuable time to do other things. Now it's showing you how to change the dies. So this is a die rack. This is a die box. You can put them into different square box. Of course, you know this is our DX68 series. The die box can be put under the machine. We can also with the drawer, so it comes from the left. The machine can be also with wheels, so we can, according to your requirements, to customize the machine according to our normally DX68. So this is a motor, the valve. Okay, I think much for today. If you have any questions, please come to our live show tomorrow. Oh no, not tomorrow. Next Monday. Welcome to our live show. The same time. Thank you for your watching. See you next time. See you next Monday. Okay, bye bye. G Love, welcome to others. I'll get you the name card. Okay, bye.